What I share with you today is TIG multi-layer multi-channel rocker cover. When the handle is covered, the ceramic nozzle of the welding torch is twisted. There is also a scrolling state. The combination of the two states is the shaking method. When welding, the larger the twist, the larger the lines form. Conversely, the smaller the twist, the smaller the lines. Next I will demonstrate the welding process. This is the result of welding the first pass. Continue to share TIG horizontal mouth cover filling. When the cover is filled, the electrode should be pushed upward. The tungsten electrode moves to the upper edge to push the electrode. Then the lower side must be pushed forward by a large margin. Push half of the last molten pool, the largest is a large amount. The next demonstration is the welding process. Let us take a closer look. The tungsten needle moves to the upper edge line to push the welding wire. Push welding rod. Push the electrode again. Push forward by a large margin. Push welding rod. Push. Push. Push again. When welding, the distance between the electrode and the tungsten electrode should not be too far apart. If you are too far away, the molten pool will be higher, will cause the molten pool to fall. Push welding rod. Push. Push. Continue to push, then continue to push. Let's share the cover of TIG 6G crank handle. Backhand shake. When the front is shaking, also stick the welding rod on the upper edge. Move the tungsten tip to the upper edge to push. Push, push again. The next step is the welding process. This is the effect of 3 welding. The shaft is very beautiful, even and straight. Want to know more welding techniques and methods? See you in the next video.